Hi, this is Don Crosby, and I wanted to tell you about the Airbnb Millionaire Secrets and the founder, Chi Ta. I was interested in learning to be able to host on the Airbnb platform, and I've learned a lot about finding the right property, setting up the property correctly, how to stand out and make sure that your property is one of the outstanding ones. I have learned a lot in his training, and he's kind of mentored me and helped me to learn what to do and what not to do in order to be a better host. I was a little bit unsure exactly which direction to go, and he's given me a good way to scale the program. I'm going to kind of go the little bit slower route, not going to go so fast and putting out lots and lots of properties. Probably go medium route, and I'm really expecting in the mid six figures income very quickly. Chi has just been really very valuable. The value that he adds in his training is really top notch. You learn all the details that you need to be successful, not just basic details, but everything you need to do in order to stand out. Some really interesting tricks that he teaches you, and some interesting things that you need to know in order to be successful, and I feel like he's really helped me with that. So look forward to getting started, and I hope that other people will join up on his program as well, because it's well worth it. Take care.